PlantGenIE.org is a multi-species resource that shares genome expression and analysis tools within various subdomains per species. I'm going to use qtlXplorer since currently qtlXplorer can only be accessed via the qGenie domain. In qGenie you will find the qtlXplorer link here in the menu bar. qtlXplorer is a tool for browsing systems genetics data. It has 6 different starting points in the form of different panels, accessible here by clicking on these tabs for exploring and querying the available systems genetics data. Different types of data can be displayed on the fly on the circos plot on the right. For example, gene positions, trait QTLs, module eigengene QTLs, and eQTLs. Note how the positions of the genes, trait QTLs, and eQTLs appear as I select them from the different panels. In qtlXplorer, there are a few ways to get going. The easiest is to import a pasted gene list. Now you can select genes to view their positions on the circos browser. The second is to import an active gene list from qGenie. However, the fact that the numeric value on the hamburger menu here is 0 means that I do not currently have an active gene list. The way to create a gene list is to open the Gene List tool by clicking on the numeric value here. In the Gene List tool, you can type any keyword in this block and it will search across all columns. Here it identified 90 genes with the word lacase. It is possible to further filter this list using the filter fields above the columns. So I can now save this as a gene list. I can also paste a list of gene IDs in this block and then save it as a gene list. The Gene List tool also allows a user to convert any saved gene list into a PlantGenIE gene list using this green leaf button. Selecting one of these ortholog finder methods will find the closest orthologs in Arabidopsis, poplar, and spruce, and it will be saved as a gene list for further analysis in one of these species with their subdomain in PlantGenIE. Going back to qtlXplorer, it is easy to import the 18 genes in my active gene list. After filtering and selecting genes in qtlXplorer, it is important to note that it is necessary to first select all the genes in the Genes tab and then click on Export Gene List to qGenie before you will be able to use the gene lists in other qGenie tools, for example the Venn tool. Finally, it is easy to export all the data in an active table to a tab delimited file, which can then be opened in Excel or used for downstream analyses.